Bring nature's balance indoors with nanoe X, the technology with the benefits of hydroxylradicals. It continues to evolve and has increased its emission capacity 100-fold since its debut in 2002. Advances in technology have made it possible to improve air cleanliness in a wide range of large commercial buildings. The latest nanoe X Generator Mark III releases 48 trillion hydroxyradicals with maximized effectiveness to inhibit many types of pollutants. At clinics, where hygiene is crucial, and also at offices and schools, where people gather and the risk of infection increases, nanoe X can inhibit certain types of bacteria and viruses to ensure a cleaner and comfortable space. Nanoe X also is greatly effective against odors, inhibiting them to ensure pleasant and cleaner environments in commercial spaces such as gyms and restaurants. The new MY3 Minikassett for Nya VRF features advanced nanoe X functionality. Compact with a sealing depth of only 250mm and a modern grille panel design. Its individual flap control system ensures that airflow and nanoe X are delivered evenly to all corners of the room. And of course it comes equipped with the latest nanoe X Mark III as standard. Its nanoe X generator is maintenance-free and requires no servicing. While the indoor unit has an internal cleaning function that inhibits mold in the fan and heat exchanger. It works quickly to effectively fill even larger spaces with nanoe X. The time taken to inhibit viruses and odors has been even further reduced. Bacteriophage inhibition is 98% in 4 hours. It takes only half an hour to get rid of unpleasant odors. Panasonic provides a wide-ranging lineup of commercial indoor air quality solutions. Here are some customer testimonials on how happy they are with nanoe X.
Bobet, que es el director técnico, y le preguntamos, ¿esto lo tenemos cubierto? Justamente en esta tienda hemos probado un sistema nuevo de Panasonic que se llama nanoe X, no sé qué, que esto cubre y garantiza más del 95%.
Béton chez les dentistes, puisque vous avez des odeurs de génol qui se répandent dans les pièces. Grâce à ce système, nous avons pu éliminer effectivement toutes les odeurs inhérentes à notre activité, notamment les odorisations de ce projet. Sans leur aide, nous ne serions jamais arrivés à une totale réussite. Il assure au quotidien un réel confort.
Nanoe X, bringing nature's balance indoors.
Panasonic.